Hey everyone, I bought this multi-purpose table. My primary goal was to put laptop on it when I'm working on my sofa or on my bed, because right now I was putting on in my lap and it was very inconvenient and harmful for health as well. So it is a very multi-functional table. If you turn it over, it has two sturdy stands and almost 11 inches high. You can also use it for if you have kids, they can use it for study purposes. It has quite ample space, at least for one MacBook. And also, if you turn it back, let me show you how it looks. These are two sturdy legs, so it is. And now you can turn it over and use it for your MacBook or putting your books on it. Your kids can eat on it. So it's not pretty expensive, just $4 Canadian dollars. So yeah, I thought maybe you find it useful. Thank you.